Hey guys, welcome to another short morning full body yoga stretch with Arrivé Yoga. Today we're focusing on deepening that stretch, that strengthening and that release in our legs and our hips. This is where we tend to hold a lot of our emotions. So keeping that in mind today, let's get ready to release, let go, and start a fresh new day. So go ahead and join me into a nice cross-legged position, facing the front and top of your mat. Go ahead and close your eyes, bringing the hands over to the thighs, taking a deep breath in, exhaling out. And we're just going to use this short moment here before we get started to just settle in your day. If you can hear the birds that surround me, go ahead and embrace that nature, embrace the beautiful sounds. And then on the exhale, you're going to extend your legs out in front of you. Take a deep breath in, reach the arms up towards the sky, flex the feet, and then exhale. Bring yourself to a comfortable limit, keeping the back straight. So as soon as you start to curve the back, come out of the position a little bit, keep the spine extended, and then just drop the hands over to the top of the legs if that's needed. Breathing in here. Exhale, going a little bit deeper. Bringing a smile to your face, giving yourself all the time that you need to slowly wake up. And now allow the back to round out, allow the head to fall forward, and just start to swing softly the head from side to side. See if you can start to feel that really comfortable stretch in the back of the neck and in the length of the spine. Inhale to center, coming back up. And then exhale, go ahead and bring that right heel in. Reach both arms up, turning to the left leg. And exhale, bring it down. Couple breaths here. Exhale, deepen. And then on the next inhale, you're going to grab the big toe with your left fingers. And you're going to switch over, trying to bring your right knee over to the other side. Reach that right arm up, deep breath in, and then exhale as if you want to grab your toes with that right hand. And just get a full side body stretch here, breathing in, looking up past your arm. Big breath. Exhale. Inhale, back to center, all the way back. Bring that right hand, and then swoop that left hand up, lifting the hips. Deep breath in. Exhale, extend that left arm towards the top and then round it all the way through. Coming back and then left hand back. Push on that right foot and then open up. Deep breath in here. Exhale, bring it back to center. And we're going to switch over to the other leg. Left heel in, right leg out, flexing the foot, deep breath in. Exhale, twist to center, and then bring it down. Couple breaths here. One more breath here, and then exhale, grabbing the toes with your fingers, pushing that left knee away, and then opening up, side body stretch. Deep breath in here. Exhale, deepen, shoulders away from the ears. Breathing in. Exhale, deepen. All right, go ahead and bring that left hand back, swoop that right arm up, hips come up, deep breath. And then exhale all the way down through center and then over to the other side, planting that left foot, opening up, welting. Exhale, bring it down, taking your time, feeling that extension everywhere in the body. Back to center. And then butterfly pose. Bring the soles of your feet together. Bring the hands over to the ankles. Deep breath in here. Squeeze the shoulder blades around back. Breathing in. And then exhale, bring it forward and down, pulling the knees down towards the ground. Deep breath in here. Exhaling out. Release the head, rounding out the back. You can bring the feet further away from you if you wish, and then squeeze the elbows out to the sides, pulling yourself in. Deep breath in here. Exhale, roll it all the way back up. And we're going to come onto our backs. Relax the head down, shoulders come down, and then cross that right leg over the left thigh, flexing that right foot. And when you're ready, drop everything over to the left and extend that right arm. Deep stretch in that outer right hip. And we start to approach the end of our practice this morning. See if you can really use those last few breaths to be really present, to be really aware of what's happening in your mind and your body without judging it. Just accept it for as it is right here, right now. Breathe in some love, breathe in some care, breathe in some healing. And exhale, letting go of anything holding you back from being and feeling exactly how you wish to for the rest of your day. Lifting the corners of your mouth, forcing some happy hormones throughout the body. All right, back to center. Quickly over to the right just to massage that right hip. No. And then when you're ready, cross it over to the other side. Left leg over right. And drop it to the left. Looks like somebody wants a little bit of attention today. Oh, sweetheart. Yes, sweetheart. Yeah. And just take a few moments breath here. Back to center. Releasing over to the left and then releasing the legs. Take a moment to just swing from side to side, massaging the back, rotating the ankles, flex and release the toes and the feet, getting any kinks out, and then go ahead and grab the big toes or the outer edges of your feet and pull the tailbone down towards the ground, pulling the shoulders into the ground, breathing here, embracing this moment. If you can and it feels good, go ahead, extend the legs straight and extending them out to the sides. Feeling a stretch behind the thighs and then the inner thighs. Breathing in. Exhale, bring the feet together, keeping the legs straight if you can. Breathing in. And then exhale, swing forward, crossing that right leg in the front. Breathing in. Propping yourself up to get a deep stretch as well in the front left thigh. Let your body relax, let it become heavy, and then swing it over to the other side. Awesome. One last deep detoxifying breath here. And then slowly lean onto your right hip and then come back to the center of your mat. Cross-legged. Bring the right hand to the heart space, the left hand on top. And I hope you've enjoyed this short morning full body stretch, focusing on the legs. And I wish you a beautiful day. Namaste.